Hello friends, this is Bhupati, and in this video we are going to see another example of how can we read phone number if it is printed by multi-line in an input. Now let us go to our input file. This is our input file, and if you see in the previous example these phone numbers were in the same line, so we were able to extract with just a simple pattern. Now in this input, so these phone numbers splitted by multi-line, or here you see there is a dot after this 4 digit, and still it is splitted by multi-line, and here also dot is there, and here hyphen is there. So like this phone numbers are splitted in multi-line. Now I want to extract all these phone numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to extract all these phone numbers in a proper format. That is, it should be in the same line. But now it is in new lines. So I want to extract this phone number using regular expression. Now I will copy this input in regex101.com. Now we are going to write pattern before extracting the phone numbers. So before we understand the pattern, let me give you an example how this character class is working. So this is character class. So what it means it tries to match every single character inside square bracket and inside the open closed square bracket. If you use like this means in regular expression we call it as character class. That is, it matches a single character present in the set. You can see in the match information every single character it is trying to match. That is match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after this character class you can add quantifiers, that is greedy, lazy, like okay. Now I'm going to use plus. What it means? One or more. It matches the previous token one or more times. And if you see here, now the match is 3 times it is returning because it is matching E 2 times here and then here, and ELO, that is it is matching this pattern multiple times. If you put n number of L, it still match, and it will be only 3 matches only it will be okay. So if you put plus, that is one or more. This is how character class will work, and I have also given a link in the description that I have explained in detail how character class in a separate like regular expression playlist. There you can check it out. Now we will see the pattern how to extract these phone numbers. We go to the code. So phone number pattern. So this data type is string, just a string. Okay, in string I'm just saving the pattern data. So go to the Regex, remove the double quotes. Now you can see in the match information 5 phone numbers were there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the 5 phone numbers here written as match. Okay, match information 5 match we got. So I will explain this. Backslash D means it is matches a single digit in this input. Okay, that is in this test testing. And backslash D, when you use curly braces and number, that is exactly it match 4 digit of this number. So it is matching these 4 digits in all the 4 numbers, 1860, 1800, and here also 1800. And after this 4 digit match, you can see in the next line it is divided by new line, or you can see it is also having a dot, and here hyphen is there. Okay, so I have put it in character class, that is it dot may be there or new line or backslash s, or hyphen. So when you put dot inside the characters, there is no special meaning, because in regular expression, if you put dot means it matches every single character. So this special meaning will not be effective if you put dot inside the character class. And this plus means it can return one or more time. Then only we can match correct. If we have just a single space, it cannot match. So I have put plus and again, so control comes here. Now I am again to check whether there is digit, three number digits. Okay, so here again it matches. I am repeating the pattern inside the character class, the same we used here, and then again using backslash d, three digits. So by this way it is retaining the match information. So retaining all the phone numbers. Now it is a collection of match. So you need to use the variable type of match collection to hold this result. Okay. Now first step, I am reading input using read text file. Okay, this is step 1. So step 2, phone number pattern. This pattern is of variable type string. I just copied and pasted pattern and assigned to this variable. Next, phone number matches. Here this phone number matches one is of variable type match collection, that is system.text.regular expressions.match collection. And this match collection holds the value, that is regex.matches. It takes the two parameter. One is input string. So input string is our input.txt file, whatever we read using the read text file, and pattern. So pattern is this variable. Okay, so regex.matches taken two parameter and it is returning a match collection. Okay, so when it is returning a match collection, it should be of variable type match collection, that is system.text.regular expression.match collection. Now we have got all the phone numbers and I am printing it using for each item, current item, and this should be phone number matches one, because in this variable only we have all the phone numbers, I mean in this collection. Okay, we need to iterate each match in this from this collection. So the type argument should be system.text.regular expression.match. Okay, because we are trying to extract each match in this match collection. Now current item dot value, this will display the phone number. Now let me run and show you. Okay, now we got the list of phone numbers, but if you need notice, this phone numbers are not in proper time. Okay, I mean still it is in like first four digits are there, in the second line just three numbers, and in the third line another three numbers. It is not in proper format. Now just I will click on this. You can see another window will be opened. Let me zoom it and show you. Here in message you can see these numbers are separated by carriage return and new line. Okay, that is in Windows, new line will be used by this backslash r means carriage return, backslash r means new line. So carriage return, what it means? So in mechanical printer, carriage return means the control goes to the first line. I mean in the same line, the control goes to the beginning of the line. Okay. So after that new line means the control goes to the new line. That is how backslash r and backslash r. So in Windows you can see the new lines will be separated by like this. Now I need to replace this carriage return so I can get the phone number in one single line. Okay, now I click on cancel, stop debugging. We are going to, this is match. Okay, this data type is match, and dot to string. Good. Then only I can apply replace. Which one I am going to replace? VP carriage return and line feed, comma. So CR means carriage return line feed. LF means line feed. Now I will run and check the output. You see, we got the 5 phone numbers with proper format. Okay, this is how you can extract phone numbers with multi-line. There are many options are there to extract the phone numbers in multi-line. That is, you can just simply use the look behind and look ahead concepts. It is based on your requirement and how the input is. I mean, how in your case how the input is. Okay. Thank you, friends. And you can see total phone number count is 5. Okay. In the next video, I will come up with some other logic. Thank you, friends.